What's up mga quiz, mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayon araw papanoorin natin yung official trailer ng upcoming Hollywood movie na isang sequel ng isa sa mga pinaka-successful na franchise movie at ito yung Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin, papanoorin natin yung video at later ibibigay ko yung reaction at opinion ko on the said trailer. So let's go!
Are you familiar with the concept of evolution? In their time, humans were capable of many great things. They could fly like eagles fly. They could speak across oceans. But now it is our time, and it is my kingdom. We will learn. Apes will learn. I will learn. And I will conquer. Legend says ape and human lived side by side. Impossible as that may seem.
Why do they hunt her?
She is smarter than most.
The elders did not tell us everything about this world.
Bend for your king.
Apes hunt humans. That is wrong.
Together, you will die.
No, together, strong.
Ay, ito yung napanood natin yung trailer, official trailer ng Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. Wow, ang ganda, ang galing-galing. Ang ganda yung buong scene. Laki ng binagbago ng movie and it looks very, very great. And base ito sa nakita ko sa trailer, parang yung kwento nito, malapit na siyang bumalik dun sa pinaka-original na storyline nung movie, nung franchise na to, which is yung nasa 60s or 70s ata yun, yung Planet of the Apes talaga. Na talagang lahat ng nakatala sa planet na yun ay mga apes and mga tao na lang yun parang naghahunt, diba? Ang hinahunt, diba? So, yun. So, ang galing. And the CGI was also nag-upgrade talaga, ang galing. So, ang galing. So, ang titignan natin dito is yung storyline niya, kung ma-uphold niya yung naunang tatlong movie na under kay Matt Reeves, kasi ibang director nitong movie na to. So, yun natin kung mas maganda o downgrade siya do sa tatlong naunang movies under Matt Reeves trilogy. So far sobrang saya ko to sa napanood ko. Technical aspects, wala tayong duda dyan, maganda. Laging maganda naman yung itong franchise ng Planet of the Apes when it comes to technical. Storyline lang ang magiging how you call it, what the right word. Basta yung storyline ang magdetermine kung it will be a good or a bad movie, di ba? So, yun. So, next month papalabas tong movie. So I'm excited to see this movie because I'm a fan of the original trilogy made by Matt Reeves. Kasi kakaiba yung storya na nagawa nila doon, and this one, I hope this will uphold the iniwang legacy nung naunang trilogy na movie ni Matt Reeves. So there you go. Kung kayo mga quiz, mga attendees na gusto niyo pa yung full official trailer ng Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo ng bigay kong opinion, simpleng opinion ko lang regarding the movie, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba, and I will read all your comments and I will try to react sa mga comments nyo kung kailangan. Before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my channels. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Dahil sa show ang pinagtalaga channel, proudly from the vlog and Tamat ng People Presents. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day and have a solemn Holy Week today. So, bye-bye.